Google Calendar tutorial 2.2, we're going to talk about creating all-day and multi-day events. All-day events and events that span over multiple dates are referred to as all-day events, and there are several ways you can create an all-day event. Let's go ahead and take a look at this calendar here. We have it in month view, and you can see that there's a conference in Boston scheduled, and this conference is spanning over a period of time. There's no start and end time each day associated with it, like this 3 p.m. meeting with Mrs. Smith. Now here's one way I can create an all-day, multi-day event. Let's say that the week of November 26th through the 29th, I'm going to be at a conference. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the 26th through the 29th. And you can see it says up here, Monday, November 26th, what are you doing? I'm going to be at CMC conference in Manchester, New Hampshire. And I'm going to create this event. This event by default is going to go on my default calendar, GAF student. Now if I go and take a look at month view, you can see I am going to that conference in Boston, and the 26th through the 29th I will be at that event in Manchester. I can also simply click on a date. So let's go to December, and let's say the day after Christmas through that Saturday, I'm going to take a trip to Florida. So I can click on the date itself, and I could say I'm going to be going to Florida, and I can say 12/26 through 12/29, and just hit enter. Oops, 12/26 through 12/29, and hit save. So another way is I can simply click on a date to create a new event and edit the event details. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the 26th, and I'm going to click on edit event, and I'm going to say this is an all-day event and it's going to end on the 29th, and I'm going to Florida for vacation. Florida vacation. It's all day. I can even edit the details, Florida, and click on save. Now you can see my Florida vacation is spanning over a period of time, the 26th through the 29th. Another way I can create an all-day event is to simply click on Create and choose, let's say, January. I'm going to go to another conference because I love going to conferences. I'm going to go to the FETC conference. I'm going to go 115 through 119, and I need to select all-day event and click on save. And now let's just quickly go over to that January date, and you can see I'm scheduled for the FETC conference in January. Finally, you can always use your quick add. I can schedule, I'm going to go to on another vacation, the 26th through the 25th of January. So I'm going to click on Create Quick Add, and I'm going to say vacation 1/22/13 through 1/26/13. And I'm going to click on Add. And you can see that multi-day, all-day event has been added to my calendar. Now, what you should need to know about your availability settings is that all-day events do not block out times on your calendar for that day. So if you don't want to be available for invitations, select Busy in the Show Me As menu. So what does that mean? So I don't want anybody booking appointments with me the week of the 22nd. So I'm going to edit the event, and because by default it's not showing me busy, I'm going to select Show Me Busy, and nobody who would like to make an appointment with me will see me available during that period of time. So we may have taken you a step further into Google Calendar, and we're going to take you even so now you know how to create full day and multi-day events using your Google Calendar. Go ahead and practice that now and schedule an upcoming vacation or all-day multi-day event in your own calendar.